Imagine walking through a crowded street in New York or a quiet trail in the Rockies, holding something no larger than a candy bar that produces footage indistinguishable from a $5,000 cinema rig. For years, the DJI Osmo Pocket series has been the secret weapon of the world's most elite vloggers. It was the device that killed the bulky gimbal and made professional-grade stabilization accessible to anyone with a pocket. But right now, in 2026, something is happening behind the scenes at DJI that is about to make the legendary Pocket 3 look like a toy. We are talking about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. But this isn't just another yearly update. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The leaks coming out of Shenzhen right now suggest that DJI is splitting the line in two, introducing a Pro model that does things we previously thought were physically impossible for a device this size. We are talking about dual sensor arrays, 6K resolution, and an AI tracking system that doesn't just follow you, it anticipates your next move. There is a reason the hype for the Pocket 4 is different this time. Since the launch of the Pocket 3, the world of content creation has shifted. Vertical video isn't just an option anymore, it's the requirement. And while the rotating screen of the Pocket 3 was a stroke of genius, the Pocket 4 is rumored to take native verticality to a level that will make TikTok and Reel creators lose their minds. But here is the part that should make you pay close attention: the release date. While most expected a late-year launch, retail inventory screenshots and leaked packaging photos point to a March 26th announcement. That's just weeks away. But with this new power comes a new price tag, and rumors of a massive hike for the Pro model are sending shockwaves through the creator community. Is DJI about to price out the very people who made this camera a hit? Or is the technology inside so revolutionary that the price won't even matter? Let's look at the heart of the beast, the sensor. The Pocket 3 blew everyone away with its 1-inch CMOS sensor. It was the first time we got true bokeh and low-light performance in a gimbal camera. For the Pocket 4, DJI isn't just refining that sensor, they are evolving it. The standard model is expected to feature an enhanced 1-inch sensor with a 50-megapixel readout. Why 50 megapixels? Because it unlocks 6K video. Imagine having the ability to crop into your 6K footage to create a perfect 4K vertical shot without losing a single pixel of detail. This is the lossless workflow creators have been dreaming of. But for the Pro version, the rumors are even wilder. We are talking about a dual sensor setup, a wide-angle primary and a telephoto secondary. For the first time ever, you could get true optical zoom on a device that fits in your jeans. No more digital grain. No more soft images. Just pure, cinematic glass. But a camera is only as good as its stability. The 3-axis gimbal is DJI's signature, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to introduce Active Track 7.0. This isn't just a software update. This is an AI-powered neural engine that uses deep learning to identify subjects even when they are obscured. Imagine walking behind a tree or into a crowd and having the gimbal stay locked on your face the moment you reappear. The new gimbal arm is rumored to be slightly longer and more robust, allowing for a super stable mode that mimics the look of a heavy-duty Ronin rig. But